Good morning, how are you? So if you've been watching, you know we have climbed Machu Picchu mountain. We have 4x4 through the Bolivian salt flats. And now today, we're gonna bicycle through the Atacama Desert. Let's check it out. Right, so today we're gonna go find a bicycle to rent for 6 hours.
What we're doing is actually maybe a little bit risky.
A bit risky?
Yeah. Not the cycle.
Oh, the timings?
The timings.
Yeah, so we've got to be back for a bus for 2 p.m. Yeah. It is now 8:15. Yeah. They say that to go to the famous Devil's Tongue takes 4 hours there and back.
So that's maybe if you're, proficient on a bike.
So we will see how it works, but first course of action is find a monster, and then we'll get a bike. First mission complete. We went to a local bike shop to rent some bikes. There are so many choices to choose from, you are spoiled for choice, but these one look pretty good. All you got to do is sign a waiver and show a picture of your ID.
So we got our bikes for 6 hours. It cost us 10,000 each, which is about £8 each for 6 hours. It came with a helmet and this reflective thing and some repair stuff. And we're now going to cycle. Don't know how long it takes. Some tours say 4 hours there and back. Some say 3. The bike man told us 3. But we're going to aim for the Devil's Throat. We keep calling it the Devil's Tongue. It's the Devil's Throat. And basically, it's just cycling through the Atacama Desert. Beautiful landscapes. Going to aim to cycle there, do a short little hike up to a viewpoint and back. Ryan's going to fly the drone at some point to get some cool shots. And hopefully it should be a fairly easy cycle because I'm not too good on a bike.
Let's go! The bikes you get are actually pretty decent, so you can pay less money to get a slightly worse one. But when you're doing something like this, I think for an extra £1.50 to get a decent bike will make a world of difference. At the end of the day, why make things difficult? Alright, let's do it. And we are off. To get to the national park, you have to ride out of the town. It's basically a straight road from the main town, super easy to follow. Just keep the river to your left. Everybody okay? Yeah. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, we'll stick the bikes in the bike thing on the left there. Hola! Dos personas? Por favor. When you arrive at the entrance to the park, you have to pay a fee of 3,000 pesos per person, but that actually isn't that much money. That's £2.45. The fee you pay is for the Qatar Valley Park. This is where the Devil's Throat is located. The lady will show you where to go, how long it takes, and what other routes you can do if you have time.
Chulacao. Right?
Quebrada de Chulacao, maybe. I'll have a look.
I think so.
I think so, it looks right.
Yeah. Through that.
Through there. Into the desert on a bike with no name. Ooh, wow. We have to maybe push this bit, right? Yeah.
You will never know the value of this water until you ride it.
Hang on, let me see. Sure?
Wow. Very nice.
Should we go first and I'll help pull you up?
What does that mean? Oh, there's bike tracks still up there. Thank you again. I'll speed it up for you, shall I? And that's where we're going. That's the end of the line, the viewpoint. So you're gonna have to jump the bikes off down here somewhere, and then up we walk. All right, so this is what's called the Mirador viewpoint. And you're supposed to put your bike somewhere. Not sure where. Right, so now we begin what I assume is like a 20-minute climb.
Yeah.
You can see the top up there, so it's not too bad. But honestly, this has been really fun so far. Just be prepared. You are a bit of altitude, it's about 2,500 metres.
I think it's 2.8.
2.8, even that. So you will lose your breath quickly.
There is no signal. It is kind of marked, there's arrows, but if you don't have someone like Ryan with you, just maybe download offline maps or have a rough idea of where you're going, because imagine you could get lost.
And if you want someone like Ryan, I am available for rent.
Rent a Ryan!
Right, halfway up climb. It's not easy, but the views are already incredible. So let's get to the top, up what looks like sheer vertical cliff face. You can actually see how the rocks are pointing out at an angle. Would imply tectonic plate movement, which is pretty cool.
There's a volcano there.
I ain't gonna be able to see that. Well, if you can, it's over there.
Yeah. There's an active one called Lasca, that one.
You definitely didn't just eavesdrop on a tour.
I definitely did.
There's just a whole lot of nothingness.
Yeah, it's amazing, isn't it?
I reckon that is Bolivia. I reckon.
Oh, because of the volcano?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a volcano over there as well, actually.
Well, it's the low points, so it's where the water settles, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, nearly there. Made it. That was a harder walk than I thought it would be. Look at that. That's pretty amazing.
No, we've had to get ready.
Time to hike back down and get back on those bikes and make it back through the desert. What we didn't realise on the way there is actually it was slightly uphill, which is brilliant because on the way back, so much easier, which made it more fun racing through the rocks.
Careful not to...
Right, and that is cycling in the Atacama Desert. Honestly, you don't need a tour. Unless you're going to other places other than Devil's Throat, of course. But if that's all you want to see, you just hire yourself a bike. It's so easy. It's all signposted. There's other people. Yeah. What do you think?
I think it's brilliant. I don't cycle much, and I'm not that confident on a bike, but if I can do it, anyone can do it. And the views were amazing. It just felt like you were on another planet the whole time. And this cost us £8. We could have done it slightly cheaper for 6. So worth it, 100%. Like, we don't like hiking, so we didn't want to hike it, and we don't need a tour guide. So this is probably the cheapest and funnest way to see the Atacama Desert in Chile.
So, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more amazing travel content. I think if I say it enough times, it might become true. Alright, catch you next time. Love you lots.